In today's video, we're tackling a common issue, the unable to download iOS 18 error. If you're having trouble updating your device, stick around because I'll guide you through several fixes. Let's get started. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Go to Apple's system status page in your browser and check if there are any outages or issues with iOS update. If there's a problem, you may need to wait until Apple resolves it. A lack of storage can prevent the update from downloading. Go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space for the update. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for downloading updates. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If you're having issues, try toggling Wi-Fi off and back on, reconnecting to the network. A simple restart can often fix minor glitches. To restart, press and hold the power button until you see the power off option. Once your device is off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, go back to Settings, tap on General, and go to Software Update. Try downloading iOS 18 again. Sometimes a fresh attempt can solve the issue. And that's it. You should now be able to resolve the unable to download iOS 18 error.